Next, in what ratio is the line segment joining the points -3, 2 and 6, 1 is divided by the y-axis? Understand this question correctly. -3, 2, where will it be? See here, x coordinate is minus, so it will be in second quadrant, and y is plus, so definitely in second quadrant. So 6, 1 both positive, so in the first quadrant. You might be knowing this, all sine, tan, and no, you don't have it, all sine, cos, tan. See here, in first quadrant all x and y are positive, in second quadrant x is negative, y is positive, third x and y negative, and fourth is this x is positive and y is negative. Okay, so this point -3, 2 lies in second quadrant and 6, 1 lies in first quadrant. Now the point which divides the line AC, we will call it, the point B which divides this AC is on the y-axis. Now if this is on the y-axis, it means what? So it means that the x coordinate of that point will be 0, right? Because x coordinate on y-axis is always 0. So the point is what? 0, y. Now what we want, in what ratio does this point B divides this AC? Means we have to find AB upon BC ratio. So what we'll do is, let it be lambda and let this be 1. So lambda is any variable we are taking. Instead of x we are taking lambda. So point B is 0, y, and the ratio is lambda is to 1. Okay, now we have to find AB upon BC. Okay, so for x coordinate we know it's 0. Use the section formula. Section formula is what? 0 equals to this mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is m and this is n. Means first part is m, second part is n. Okay, so 0 equals to m is 6 over here, x2 m is lambda over here, and x2 is what? 6. Then plus nx1, n is 1 and x1 is what? -3. So use this for x. 0 equals to 6 lambda minus 3 into 1, the whole upon lambda plus 1, m plus n. So 6 lambda minus 3 upon lambda plus 1 equals to 0. So bring lambda plus 1 on the other side, it becomes 6 lambda minus 3 equals to 0, 6 lambda equals to 3, lambda equals to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So we get AB upon BC equals to lambda upon 1, means 1 upon 2 upon 1. So it becomes 1 upon 2. So the ratio is 1:2. Next question. The coordinates of the third vertex of the an equilateral triangle whose two vertices are 3, 4 and -2, 3 are. Say this 3, 4, -2, 3, and this we have to find out, x and y. Okay. Now what is given? Equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? The sides are equal, so AB will be equal to AC and area of equilateral triangle. So if AB equals to AC, it means what? AB equals to AC, AB square equals to AC square. Distance formula, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square, 3 and 4 over here, equals to x plus 2 the whole square, means minus becomes plus, plus y minus 3 the whole square, right? So it becomes what? X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equals to this second part, x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. Okay, now go on solving. X square and y square gets cancelled with each other, so it becomes minus 6x minus 4x minus 8y plus 6y equals to 13 minus 25. Solve this. Okay, try it yourself. So it becomes minus 10x minus 2y equals to minus 12. So we solve this to get, say this, 2 divided by 2, it becomes 5x plus y equals to 6. Minus minus gone from all sides. Okay, so now put this